Hi guys, so today I'm doing a life update kind of video, and I haven't done a YouTube video in such a long time that I even forgot how to film and how to edit a video, how to set up lighting and all those things. But anyway, here I am. First of all guys, let me say thank you so much for getting me to 10k subscribers. I am beyond grateful, humbled, happy. Thank you so much. Like, it's unreal that 10k people chose to watch my videos and they like my videos and you subscribed for this content, and I'm gonna do my best to be as consistent as I can. So basically I've been away working on my business and also getting things organized both in my business life and also in my personal life, because my life, to be honest, was just in chaos. Everything was disorganized, and even right now I'm still in the process of setting up things in the right way for my business, getting my stocks up, my supplies are down right now, and also setting up my website, which is something I have been like wanting to do for a long time, but every time I want to do it I get orders. Like, it's just been a lot going on. So that plus I had to change up my setting. Like, right now I'm filming in a different room than the one I used to film in. So many things I had to change up, and also I had to clean up my house, like basically literally cleaning house, like my carpets, my curtains, my duvets, my everything, like cleaning up my whole house. My house is quite big. It's a three-bedroom apartment, and the rooms are quite big. Plus I have a lot of things in every room, has like its own furniture. Like, there's so many things lying around, and they had to be moved around before to remove the carpets, to clean up. So basically I couldn't make a video, I couldn't film a video until I had my room set up, which is this room, which is gonna be my normal filming room between here and the sitting room. Anyway, just basically updating you guys. And how have you guys been? How is quarantine taking you? How is Rona taking you? Like, for me, I just been mostly just basically guys, just busy working on the business side. And yeah, because I get so many DMs, like every single day I get a DM of someone asking me like, when are you gonna come out with your skin lightening creams? Like, every single day. Like, if I was to open up my DMs and show you guys, every single day there's someone asking me when are my creams being restocked, and I haven't given a definitive answer because I am still, right now I'm still wearing and testing out my products. So that is what I have also been doing as well. As for the supplements, I haven't been really consistent with my supplements as much as I have been consistent with applying my creams and testing them out. There are many new things I plan to come out with. There are many new projects. So that is what I've been going on, and back-to-back orders. Like you can see, I still have the same weave. It's not been a week, it's a weave. The same weave I had when I filmed my last video. That should tell you like how crazy my life has been. If I still have the same hair that I had last time, and if you know me, if you see me in my channel, I like changing up my hairstyles from time to time. Like, I haven't even had time to do my nails, do my hair. So I'm even hoping like by today, like if I'm not late, I hope to make this video in time. And I'm hoping to go to town, get my hair done, my nails done, just basically get my my nails and hair in order. Basically guys, it's been just been crazy ordering stuff here and there. And also what else, I plan on getting back to the gym. As you can see clearly, I have added quite a lot of weight. I have put on a huge amount of weight, and I need to get back to the gym. And right now our gym has opened up the classes. Of course, they have the whole what do you call, the 1 meter distance, the social distancing. They have it well in our gym classroom. They have it well marked out, like you can't get close to the next person, like it's well sectioned out. So I do plan on resuming the gym workouts not this week, next week most likely, I do plan on going back to the gym, because also working out helps me to keep on my diet in check. Normally when I'm going to the gym, because the gym is super hard work and super strenuous, I like to make sure I'm watching my diet. Otherwise, all that work is for nothing. And on that note, I actually even bought a new pair of shoes. I got some Puma shoes, for sport shoes for the gym. Here are the shoes right here. They're very nice and very comfortable. I like the way they feel on my feet, so I bought a new pair of shoes. And for me, I really feel motivated when I'm looking good in the gym, when I have a good workout gear, when I'm feeling comfortable. I always feel more motivated in the gym, because honestly, at this point, I would say I haven't got the point where I can say I love working out. Working out is something I do because I have to, because I have to keep my body in check, and because it's healthy to do it. But if there's a way I could skip working out and still have a good body, I would. So I know myself, I know I have to work out and watch my diet for me to be in shape. So I am resuming the gym as well. So basically guys, that's just it. I don't want to make this video be very long. So I'll be coming back again on YouTube and uploading more and more videos. Mostly, yeah, I have a whole video routine set up. Corona really disorganized my whole routine and everything. Right now I'm having to work during the day, because I can't work at night like I used to, because we have a curfew in place in our country. Like, you can't be outside past a certain time, so that kind of like disorganized my whole schedule. Like, DHL used to close at 7 p.m. Right now they're closing at 4 p.m. So you can see there's a change in how things are working. Means I had to reorganize my whole schedule around, which again is why I have been lost. I just had to like figure out like things, figure out my schedule, and finally I have. And so you're gonna be seeing more and more videos. I have many exciting videos lined up for you guys, like so many videos, like I can't wait. So now that I have everything set up, I go get my hair done, my nails done, that's the last thing. Then I'm gonna be ready to come here and shoot more videos. If you have any kind of ideas, any video ideas, any video topics that you'd like me to cover, let me know down in the comments down below, or basically anything, just let me know down in the comments below and I'll make a video on it. I think I have covered everything guys. I think I have updated you on as much as I can. Yeah, so also one more thing guys, going forward between now and December, I won't be doing any reviews of any products, simply because right now, sorry, in the next 2 or 3 months, hopefully, if not by December, I'm testing out my own products on my skin. Like I'm saying, my skin whitening creams. For me, I heavily emphasize and prefer to test my own products on my own skin before I put them out in the market. I have to make sure that my creams are good and they're working before I can start selling them in the market. So and also I get like so much unnecessary hate anytime I come here and I'm doing a sponsored video or I'm doing a collab with a certain brand. I normally get unnecessary hate. I don't understand why people get mad whenever I'm doing a brand collab. So for the next 2 or 3 months, we are just gonna be discussing about skin whitening, the tips and the tricks and what to do and what I've been doing, all that, and also giving you my routine as far as supplements are concerned and the topical products, the creams I'm working on. So yeah, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of 2 or 3 brands which I had communicated with like prior to all this. The 2 or 3 brands which are sending me their products. I'm simply going to do an unboxing of their products on camera and give you any discount codes I have with those companies. And then I put the products in a drawer aside and continue working on my own products and using my own products until I'm ready with my creams. Then I can come and start doing reviews of other people's products, because like I'm saying, it's just the best route to take right now. me working on my own brand, and also giving you guys info on skin lightening. So basically you're gonna see me doing an unboxing of those brands, but I won't be using their products until 2 or 3 months later when I'm done working with on my own brand. There are many more videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much, guys. I am very, very humble for 10K subscribers. We are on the road to 20K subscribers, so subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please take a second and subscribe. I have many more videos coming up on skin lightening, so make sure you're subscribed to make sure you don't miss any single video that I upload. And yeah, until next time, guys, see ya.